make history, which not a lot of Brazilian players get to make.
200 million Brazilians scream with delight. The golden boy has provided the moment that his country craved. Knocked out by Germany. And it's Neymar who is the hero.
I said, hey, you, perfectly on cue. The end of the night. As I recall, I said, hey, babe, when you walk my way, you caught me on fire. Save me the time, save you the trouble when you've had enough, and I can't take it anymore. Something about her, she said hello, taking you home.
Neymar foi esperto, roubou, agora vem na habilidade, vai fazer uma graça ali, olha a graça que ele faz. O Salah chegou a olhar pro lado. Neymar, espetacular.
Tem o capitão, pé direito na bola, Neymar.
Dani Alves for Fred too long. Here's Neymar! Oh wow! Neymar with another magical goal for Brazil. Technique to unleash.
Perfectly out of tune by the end of the drive. We got a little lost, you won't lie to me. Cause every memory will set them on fire. Something about her, she said hello, taking you home. Let it burn fast, let it burn slow. So let it burn, baby, burn. Let it burn fast.
Marcelo in here, and finds Fred. The shot comes in. Oh! What a start! And you know who, Neymar for Brazil!
I was lost and sad to the voices in my head. I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up Look into my eyes. My heart beats like a drum. You listen to my lies. Love is far to come. Your love is far. Running at the speed of light, kissing every city lights. Calls me in this morning till my day just goes on. Running at the speed of light, kissing every city lights. Calls me in this morning till my day just goes on.
Neymar. It's Neymar, and Brazil take the lead.
Autoriza o árbitro. Ele não tem pressa. Vai bater.